Inshallah, in today's class, we are going to deal with the relation between angles measurements, that is degree measurements and radian measurement. Relation between degree measure and radian measure of angles of angle. So just we will see what is the relation. You see here, we take 180 degrees as pi. 180 degrees as pi. Also we can write like this: 1 degree equals to pi by 180, or 1 radian equals to, we can write 180 divided by pi. So this is the relation. 180 degrees equals to, we take as pi, or we can write 1 degree equals to pi by 180, or 1 radian equals to pi by 180. Also, you must know this: suppose we have to change the degrees into radians, then we have to use this formula. Radian measure equals to pi by 180 into degree measure. So whenever we are question it is given in degrees, we have to change in radians, then we use this formula. Radian measure equals to pi by 180 into degree. Also, if you want the degree measure equals to reciprocal of this 180 by pi into radian measure. So we are going to do questions based on this formulas now. Once more revise. Suppose in the question is given angle in degrees, we have to change in radians. Then we use this formula: radian measure equals to pi by 180 into degree measure. In the same way, when we want to find degree measure when radians are given, then we will use this formula: degree measure equals to pi by 180 into radian measure. One more thing is, we have to know this one. The next concept is, suppose 1 degree also is divided into 60 minutes. This symbol is used for minutes. So 1 degree is again divided into 60 minutes. You must know this also. Also 1 minute is again divided into 60 seconds. We use this symbol for seconds. Okay. Once more, you see here, 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is further divided into 60 minutes. Also 1 minute is again divided into 60 seconds. Okay. So when we have to change pi into numerical value, we take pi as 22 by 7 approximately. This value is taken as 22 by 7. So let we do, this value will be approximately equals to 3.14 something. This is approximately equals to. So let we solve few questions based on this formulas. You revise the formulas. Let we do practice some questions on this. See here, find the radian measure of 520 degrees. Angle is given in degrees. We have to change in radians. I am using this formula. You see here, 1 degree equals to pi by 180. We know 1 degree equals to pi by 180. Therefore, 520 degrees will be multiplied by 520. Pi by 180. 30 degrees means into 30. Pi by 180 into 30. 60 degrees means pi by 180 into 60. So 520 degrees means pi by 180 into 520. So this will become radians. So let me cancel this. 0 will get cancelled. If you cancel with this 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 9s. So further cancellations is not possible. So we can just leave this here, 26 pi by 9. No need to change 22 by 7. We can leave here. So 520 degrees can be written as 26 pi by 9. 26 pi by 9. So let me do one more question. To find the radian measure of 40 degrees 20 minutes. See here, angle is given is degrees. So we know we have to change into radian. Let me use this formula. 1 degree equals to pi by 180. Now therefore 40 degrees 20 minutes equals to, we have to multiply by this pi by 180 into, we have to multiply by this 40 degrees 20 minutes. Now see here, we have to change this 20. I'll just explain you. Watch carefully. Equals to pi by 180 into 40 degrees. Now this minute should be changed in degrees. How we can change the minutes in degree? we have to divide by 60. If we divide by 60, it will become degree. If we divide by 60, it will become degree. So this minutes can be changed into degrees by dividing by 60. So 20 by 60, it will be also degree now. Now see here, let me solve little more. Pi by 180 into 40 degrees. This will get cancelled, 1s are 3s are, into 1 by 3. Sorry, 40 1 by 3. We write like this, no, 41 by 3 degree. So we have changed this into 40 and half, and 41 by 3 degree. Now next step, let me change this into proper fraction. Pi by 180 into, now you have to multiply this. How we do this one? Multiply this and add this. 3 into 40, 340s are 120 plus 1, 121. So this become 121 by 3, 121 by 3. So this will be 121 pi divided by, if you multiply this, 0, 24 carry 2, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. So this is the value, 12 pi by 5. Now see in the board, find the degree measure of this. That is, the angle is given in radians, 5 pi by 3. The angle is given in radians, so we have to find in degrees. So we know 1 radian equals to 180 by pi, 180 by pi. So we want 5 pi by 3, so we have to change. Therefore 5 pi by 3 radians equals to pi by 180, pi by 180 by pi into, we have to multiply with this 5 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3. So this pi will get cancelled. You can cancel also this one, 3 1s are 3 6s are 0. So 5 into 60 is 300. So 300 degrees. So 5 pi by 3 is nothing but 300 degrees. So let me do one more question. Find the degree measure of. So angle is given in radians, 11 by 6 radians. So we have to change into degrees. So we know 1 radian equals to 180 by pi. Therefore 11 by 6 radian equals to, we have to multiply by 11 by 6, 180 by pi into 11 by 16. So let me change this pi. Pi can be written as 22 by 7. 180 by 22 by 7 into 11 by 16. This 7 will come in the numerator. We can write like this, 180 into 7 by 22 into, what is left here, 16 and 11 here. Now let me cancel this one. If you cancel 11 1s are 11 2s are, 2 1s are 2 90s are. Now this will go with, let me divide this with 2 8s are, 2 45s are. So now let me multiply this. 7 5s are 35 carry 3, 7 4s are 28, 29 30 31 by 8. Once more, 7 5s are 35, 5 carry 3, 28 29 30 31 by 8. Now see here, let me change this into mixed fraction. Watch carefully how to change. Just wait. Now see here, let me change this to mixed fraction. 315 divided by 8. Now 8 4s are, no, 8 3s are 24. Now what is left here? 7 5, 8 9s are 72. What is left here? 3. So we can write like this. Watch carefully. 39 and 3 by 8 degrees. 39 degrees, 39 3 by 8 degrees, 39 3 by 8 degrees. But now we have to change it to, let me change this one, let me change this improper fraction, this fraction into degree, seconds. How? Watch carefully. 39 plus, we can write like this, 3 by 8. This is degree. If we multiply with the 60, it will become minutes. It will become minutes. So watch carefully. Equals to 39 degrees plus. Now see here, if we cancel this one, 4 2s are and this will become 4 15s. Again multiply this one, 3 14 3 15s of 45 by 2. Again we have, this is nothing but in minutes. So again let we have to change this into mixed fraction. So 45 divided by 2, 224 22s of 44, we left with 1. So we can write like this, watch carefully, 39 degrees plus this can be written as 22.5 minutes. Again let me change this one, 22.5 minutes into seconds, watch carefully, equals to 39 degrees plus 22 minutes plus this half minute, let me change into second. So change into second, we have to multiply with 60. This half minute again we have to change into seconds, so multiply with this, so this will become seconds. So you cancel this, 2 ones are 2 30s. So we can write like this here, 39 degrees 22 minutes and 30 seconds is the answer. Let me try one more question. Find the degree measure of -4 radians. So let you do it. This angle is given as -4 radians. So we have to process in the same way. We know that 1 radian equals to 180 by pi. So therefore -4 radian, we have to multiply with -4, 180 by pi into minus, you write here, into 4. So we know pi is 22 by 7 minus 180 into 4 into this 22 by 7. If you write in the numerator, it will be 7 by 22. 22 by 7, if we take in the numerator, it will be 7 by 22. Now let me cancel this one. This will get cancelled with 2 11s, 2 2s, 2 11s, 2 2s. Now let me multiply this one. See here, equals to minus, you see here we can write this, 180 into 2 is 360 minus 360 into 7 by 11. Again multiply with 7, 0 42, 2 carry 4, 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25 minus divided by 11. Now let me divide this one and write into mixed fraction. Okay, so how to divide? You see here, 2520 divided by 11. 11 2s 22, we left with 32. Again 11 2s are 22, we get 10 here, 1 0 here. 11 9s are 99, we left with 1 here. Once more, you see here what we did, dividing by 11 2s are 22, 3 32, 11 2s are 22, 10, 1 0 here, 11 9s are 99. So we can write like this, minus of, see here, 229, this one, into 1 by 11. So this is the degrees, we have changed into degrees. Now let me change this 1 by 11 into minutes. We can write like this, minus 229 degrees plus 1 by 11. Degree we have to change into seconds, multiply with 6, 60. Again let me divide 60 by 11. 11 5s are 55, we left with 5. So we can write like this, watch carefully, this is not minutes, minus 229 degrees plus this minutes can be written as 5 and 5 by 11 minutes. Now again let me change this 5 by 11 into seconds. See here, minus 229 degrees plus 5 minutes plus 5 by 11. This minutes can be changed to seconds by multiplying with 60. So this will be 5 into, this will become 5 into 60 is 300. 300. Now we have to divide 300 by 11. This will become seconds. So we have to divide this by 11. Now see here, 11 2s 22, 8 0, 11 7 77, 77. So what is left here? 3. No? Let me stop here. 3. If we take point here, we can write 0. 11 2s 22. No, again 8 is 0, 11 7. So the last step is, see here, minus 229 degrees, this is 5 minutes, and this seconds will be 27.27 approximately. This will be seconds. So we have converted the radians into seconds now, sorry, radians into degrees.